Meaning of Lays of Ancient Rome.
Lays of Ancient Rome.
Lays of Ancient Rome.
Lays of Ancient Rome.
Lays of Ancient Rome. Lays of Ancient Rome is a collection of narrative poems written by the famous British poet Thomas Babington Macaulay. The poems are inspired by ancient Roman legends, history and heroes and were first published in 1842. The collection includes 4 well-known poems: Horatius, The Battle of Lake Regillus, Virginia, and The Prophecy of Capys. These poems celebrate the heroic virtues of ancient Rome and capture the spirit of its people and culture. They are still widely read and appreciated today for their vivid and stirring imagery and their contribution to the Romanticism and nationalism of 19th-century literature.